children, welcome to grammar classes. In previous video we discussed about the phrases and types of phrases, and in this video we will talk about one by one types of phrases. Now let's see each of them one by one. So come on, the first type, noun phrase. What is noun phrase? A noun phrase that acts like a noun in the sentence is called noun phrase. It contains the noun and other associated words which modifies noun. For example, a woman in the window shouted for help. Here, a woman in the window is a noun phrase. In the window is just describing noun. Come on, the next example. She bought a decent black shirt. Here, a decent black shirt is a noun phrase, and here shirt is a noun. Shirt is a noun, and a decent black shirt is a noun phrase. So, come on, the next, verb phrase. What is verb phrase? Verb phrase is a group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. For example, she has finished her work. Here, look at here. Here in this sentence, has finished is a verb phrase, where finished is a main verb and has a helping verb. Look at second example. You should study for example. Here should study is a verb phrase, and study is a main verb and should is a helping verb. So come on, the next, adjective phrase. What is adjective phrase? Adjective phrase is one or more words work together, gives more information about an adjective. What it do? An adjective phrase modifies noun. What does it do? An adjective phrase modifies noun. For example, I am very happy with this work. Here, very happy is an adjective phrase, and the very is the, and in this sentence, look at here. In this sentence, I am very happy with this work. Very happy is an adjective phrase, and happy is the main word, and very is only the helping and describing word which help the main word help, happy. So come on, the next example. The cost of the cars is way too high. Way too high. Look at here. Way too high. It is adjective phrase, where way too, it means only way too. It's just helping the main words high. Way to, what is way to? Way to is just helping the main words. What is the main words? The main words is high. So here way too high is a, what is this? Adjective phrase. And the main word is high, and way to is only the helping and just helping the main words high. So come on, the next, adverb phrase. What is adverb phrase? Adverb phrase, one or more words work together to give more information about an adverb. What does it do? A adverb phrase modifies verb. Listen me carefully. What does it do? An adverb phrase modifies verb. For example, they ran really fast. They ran really fast. Look at here. In this sentence, really fast is a adverb phrase, and here really, only really is just providing more information about the adverb fast. It means really just providing more information for adverb fast. So come on, the next example. He drank the milkshake much quicker. In this sentence, much quicker. Much quicker is a adverb phrase, and the main adverb is quicker, and much is modified, or you can say providing information about the adverb quicker. So come on the next point. Prepositional phrase. What is the prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase, one or more words work together to give information about preposition. What it do? It indicate, or you can say it gives information about the times, locations, positions and compositions. It means preposition phrase which gives information about the times, location, positions and composition. For example, he is sleeping on the carpet. Here, on the carpet is a prepositional phrase, and here on is a preposition. On is a preposition, and on the carpet is a whole prepositional phrase. So at last we can say about the types of phrase. That's noun phrase that acts as a noun, and come on the second, we can say noun phrase which act as a noun, and a word phrase which is act as a verb, and a adjective phrase which is act as like a adjective, and adverb phrase which is act as a adverb, and a prepositional phrase which is act as a preposition. So thank you for the watching video.